Imagine an army, armed with rifles, marching to battle, not against humans, but against thousands of birds. It sounds impossible, yet in 1932, Australia declared war on emus and lost. This is the story of the Great Emu War. A conflict so bizarre, it seems like fiction, but it really happened. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to uncover more unbelievable events with Think Again. It is November 1932. Farmers in Western Australia are desperate. Their crops, freshly planted, are being ravaged by hordes of flightless emus, standing 6 to 7 feet tall. The government promises to help. Soldiers, armed with Lewis machine guns, are sent to handle the threat. The emus seem harmless at first, but soon it becomes clear. They are unbelievably organized and fast. The soldiers set up ambushes and open fire, but the birds scatter before they can be hit. Hundreds of rounds are fired, yet the emus continue their assault, demolishing fences and destroying wheat fields. The soldiers try again. They chase the birds with trucks, hoping to corral them into kill zones. But the emus split into smaller groups, run at impossible speeds, and evade capture effortlessly. Each day, the farmers' frustration grows, and so does the soldiers' embarrassment. By December, after weeks of battles, the military admits defeat. Reports describe hundreds of emus killed, but thousands remain. The emus have won the war. Newspapers mock the effort. Australia loses war to emus. The event becomes legendary, a tale of nature outsmarting humans, of an army defeated by flightless birds. Historians look back and shake their heads. This is a war without a battlefield, without strategy that matters, without clear victory. It is a reminder that sometimes the simplest creatures, with speed, numbers, and persistence, outsmart even the best equipped humans. The Great Emu War is not just a funny anecdote. It highlights the unpredictability of nature, the limits of human control, and the absurdity that sometimes history can deliver. It shows that even the most organized forces can be humbled by persistence, adaptability, and sheer numbers. Especially when those forces are emus. As we leave the battlefields of Western Australia, one lesson echoes: never underestimate nature or the emus. History is filled with events so strange they seem impossible, yet they are real. So the next time you think humans always win, think again. Subscribe, like, and join us as we continue to explore the hidden, the forgotten, and the utterly bizarre moments of our past.